Hello students, how are you? I hope all of you good. We have already completed two chapters, matter around us and work and energy. Based on matter around us, we have already conducted the exam. I hope all of you have attended it. So based on work and energy, you will be having an exam. All of you have to attend it. Let us revise the chapter work and energy. I need to explain the question paper pattern. All of you know the question paper pattern is the summative assessment pattern. So, who are the students who are going from 8th class to 9th class? If they don't know the pattern, let us recall once the pattern and let us go to the questions which are very important in this chapter. So, let us see the question paper pattern. Part A 35 marks, Part B 5 marks. Total the question paper pattern will be 40 marks. So in Part A we have 3 sections. Section A. In Section A you will be having 7 questions. Each question carries 1 mark. So you will get 7 marks. So there is no choice, you have to attend all the questions which are in section A. Section B, you will be having total 6 questions in section B. Each question carries 2 marks and total 12 marks. See, the question numbers will be continue. So total 6 questions, you will get 12 marks. So section C. In this section also, there is no choice, all questions you have to attend it. In section C, in section C, each question carries 4 marks, 4 4s are 16. But students, once you observe this, each and every question have internal choice. For 4 questions you will get internal choice, but once you observe these questions, if you are attending 14th A or 14th B, internal choice either 14th A or 14th B. But you are not attending the 14th question, you are going to 15th one. In 15th one, you got this 14th A and 14th B. Both you are attending, but you are not attending the 14th question. You will get only 4 marks. Each and every question, in each and every question you have internal choice. So, in each and every question you have to attend the either A or B is your wish. So, now let's see the part B, fill in the blanks. Total 10 fill in the blanks will be there in part B. Each fill in the blank carry half mark, you will get 5 marks. This is summative assessment pattern. All of you know, but again I want to explain to more. If I explain, you will get more marks. I thought like that. So I repeated the question paper pattern. Once you check the question paper pattern and go through the chapter, you will be go through the chapter, you will be having the worksheets, all of you work on it and try to write more carefully. These all questions you have to attend it. Let us revise this chapter. In this chapter we have seen so many concepts. So what is work, what is energy, what is power, and what is kinetic energy, what is potential energy, what is mechanical energy, derive an expression for kinetic energy, derive an expression for potential energy. So many concepts we have seen. Principle of conservation of energy, conversions of energy. Based on, we took some examples. Based on that we did an activity, and what again we did some numericals based on kinetic formula, kinetic energy formula, potential energy formula. What is power? Derive a formula for power, and what are the units for power. See, briefly we will see some topics. What is work? W equal to force, product of force into displacement. SI units. SI unit of work. SI unit of work. What is the SI unit of work? Joule. CGS. Erg. We did some formulas based on this formula. Using this formula we did some numericals. We have solved some numericals. In previous videos already I have shown you. So be thorough with the topic work. Do some more examples, some more numericals. You take some more numericals and try to solve the problems based on this formula, and based on this equation. This is equation, it is very important. And energy. What is energy? Capacity of doing work. Kinetic energy. What is the formula for kinetic energy? Half mv square. We derive a formula for kinetic energy, and we have solved some numericals based on this formula. Potential energy. What is potential energy? Formula mgh. Based on this formula also we did some numericals. We have solved some numericals. All of you know, if you want to solve more numericals, take some examples from your textbook and solve some numericals based on these formulas. So what is conversion of energy? Conversion and energy. In day-to-day life we have seen so many conversions of energy, like electrical energy into heat energy by iron box, and electrical energy into light energy by torch. So many chemical energy into light energy by torch. So many conversions of energy we have seen. We derive an expression. We have done some examples like simple pendulum. Good example. Kinetic energy to potential energy, potential energy to kinetic energy. We can see the conversions of energy in simple pendulum and freely falling body. Freely falling body. What is power? What is power? Amount of work done by unit time. P equal to W by T. Units, volt. Units of power, volt. And don't forget to this conversion, 1 joule equal to 10 to the power of 7 arc. This conversion is very important. And power is nothing but only the amount of work done by unit time. It is also the energy consumed per unit time. The amount of energy consumed per unit time. You know electrical energy consumption. I have already explained. What is a conversion? 1 unit equal to 1 kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt hour. This conversion is very important, and based on this power formulas, we did some numericals. we have solved some numericals. Take some more examples and try to solve the numericals. And don't forget to mention the what units while solving the numericals. If you don't forget to what mention the units. And again, what principle of state of conservation of energy. What is the principle of state of conservation of energy? Energy neither may be created nor destroyed, but it changes from one form to another form. Again, yes, so many topics I have. So revise total topics. What I given in the worksheets. Go through the chapter. Be thorough with the worksheets. Try to solve some more numericals based on the formulas, based on expressions. Write well exam. Thank you.